Footage has emerged showing Ukrainian F-16 fighter jets conducting airstrikes on Russian military positions in Kursk Oblast, using GBU-39 Small Diameter Bombs. This marks one of the first documented uses of Western-supplied F-16 aircraft by Ukraine in cross-border precision strikes. The GBU-39 is a precision-guided glide bomb designed for high accuracy and low collateral damage. Each bomb can strike targets over 100 kilometers away. The targets reportedly included logistics hubs, equipment concentrations, and radar positions used to support Russian operations near the border. The use of F-16 with advanced munitions like the GBU-39 signals a shift in Ukraine's long-range strike capabilities and the evolving role of Western air power in the conflict. This is first-person footage from a Ukrainian soldier during the clearing of Russian positions near the village of Vasyukovka in the Donetsk region. The video captures close-quarters combat and tactical maneuvers as Ukrainian troops secure the area.
Давай, давай, давай! Ходу! Я здесь! Брат!
Ныряйте в посадку, надо буде пройти.
If you like this video, please consider supporting us by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your engagement helps us bring you more verified updates and footage from the front lines. Air battles have intensified in the skies above Chasiv Yar. Footage shows small FPV drones ramming into larger Ukrainian multicopters in direct aerial engagements. These ramming attacks are being carried out by Russian FPV drones, specifically targeting Ukrainian industrial-grade UAV drones. According to reports, unmanned aircraft crews and snipers from the Russian Ivanovo Guards airborne forces have taken down over 50 Ukrainian drones in just 1 week. In addition to drone interceptions, trained sniper units are also contributing to the takedown of UAVs, aiming for low-flying aircraft in open terrain. The skies over Chasiv Yar have become a battleground for unmanned systems, as both sides adapt to the fast-changing dynamics of drone warfare. A Ukrainian FPV drone has reportedly set a new distance record by flying 42 kilometers and striking a Russian tank inside a hangar. The drone covered a distance of 42 kilometers using a fiber optic cable control system. According to Ukrainian sources, which is the longest confirmed strike by an FPV drone used by their forces. Instead of relying solely on radio signals, which can be jammed, some drones use fiber optic cables for control. This allows operators to maintain a stable connection over longer distances, even in contested electronic environments. Ukrainian drone rescues 2 recon UAVs from the battlefield. Drone operators from Ukraine's 63rd Mechanized Brigade have successfully evacuated 2 reconnaissance UAVs from the battlefield. The evacuation was performed by another drone. A large helicopter-style UAV was used to locate, lift, and transport the downed drones to a safe location. This marks a first for Ukrainian forces, conducting drone-on-drone recovery operations in active combat zones. An unusual and unexpected moment was captured by drone pilots from Ukraine's 72nd Separate Mechanized Brigade during a frontline operation. A Russian soldier was seen attempting to confront a Ukrainian kamikaze drone with a stick. The drone detonated immediately upon close contact. Ukrainian forces carried out a precision strike using GMLRS M30 cluster munitions on a concentration of Russian personnel and equipment located deep behind the front line. As per Ukrainian forces reported, the operation was a coordinated effort between aerial reconnaissance operators of the 14th Regiment and a rocket artillery unit. Initial assessments suggest that the strike caused significant damage to enemy assets and disrupted drone operations in the sector. 2 Russian soldiers attempted to cross a water barrier by boat, aiming to slip unnoticed into Ukrainian rear positions. Their movements were quickly detected by Ukrainian aerial reconnaissance using drones operating in the area. The boat was targeted and destroyed mid-river by precision drone strikes. In the Lyman direction, the Signum Battalion of Ukraine's 53rd Mechanized Brigade, known as Monomakos, continues to carry out effective air defense operations. As part of their recent activity, Signum's air defense team successfully destroyed 4 Russian unmanned aerial vehicles. Among them were 3 Russian Supercam drones and 1 Orlan 10, which had been adjusting artillery fire on Ukrainian positions. These takedowns reduce aerial surveillance and fire coordination capabilities for Russian forces operating in the area. The Unmanned Systems Battalion of the 65th Motorized Rifle Brigade continues its daily operations in the Zaporizhia direction. Every day, drone crews from the battalion target and destroy Russian logistics routes, positions, and supply points. Using precise reconnaissance and FPV strikes, they disrupt the movement of ammunition, fuel, and reinforcements. These consistent operations weaken Russian capabilities and limit their ability to sustain offensive actions in this sector.